In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Webflow site. Perhaps you're working on a project and you've realized it's just not ready for the world yet. Or maybe you want to make some changes and ensure that your published site stays pristine and polished. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through each step of the unpublishing process. Let's get started. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Webflow account. Head over to your browser, type in Webflow's website, and enter your login credentials. This step is essential because only after logging in can you access and manage your projects. Once logged in, the next step is to open the specific Webflow site you want to unpublish. Navigate to your dashboard, where you should see a list of your projects. Click on the project you want to unpublish. When you do this, you'll be taken to that particular site's settings. Think of the site settings as the control hub for your project, where you can manage anything from basics to publishing details. With the site settings open, you need to locate the domain that your site is published to. You'll see a list of domains linked with your project. Find the specific domain you want to unpublish from. Beside this, look for the Unpublish icon. It generally appears as a small button or link, depending on the current interface design. When you click on the Unpublish icon, Webflow may ask for confirmation, just as a safety measure to ensure that this is indeed what you intended to do. If prompted, simply confirm your choice. Webflow takes user confirmation seriously, so they give you a chance to rethink before making something crucial disappear from the internet world. Now, what if you want to unpublish just a specific page rather than the entire site? Webflow has you covered for that as well. For any page you don't want live, you'll need to set it to draft status. To do this, navigate back to your dashboard and go to Page Settings. Look for the Save button. It usually has an expandable menu. From there, select Save as Draft. This action effectively retracts that page from the published live site. Once you've set the page to draft, don't forget to publish your site again. This may sound counterintuitive, but this step ensures that the changes, in this case the removal of a specific page, take effect. And there you have it. Your site or specific pages are now unpublished from view, ready to be worked on, updated, or just tucked away for later. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Remember, Webflow offers tremendous flexibility, so these processes are designed to give you control over what goes live and what stays behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.